Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim bin Abdul Adim. My matrix number is 10DDK90F1009. I'm from the DK4A. So today I would like to show you guys the practical work too. So please enjoy. Kah?
Dah start dah.
Okay. Yang ni adalah minimum. Maximum. Terus on, off. Kita akan ke middle. Itu on, off, on, off. Dia guna ke minimum. Dia akan dapat off, on. Okay. Apa tengah buat benda? This is the result of part C. And this is the circuit that we will be using in the part C. This activity is about an actuator. We wrote the coding by following the procedure and then connected the jumper wires between ESP32, diff kit V1 and relay module using GPIO16. Then connected the relay module to actuator as an output. Lastly, we can see that the actuator will change when we press the button. For these discussions in this practical work, based from the result that we observe on the written coding for part A, we can conclude that writing the coding for this activity is not that difficult. This is because we only follow the given procedures to ensure the success of this activity. This means that after completing the circuit by connecting the jumper wire between the ESP32 diff kit V1 with GPIO4 as digital input while GPIO16 as output, we enter the sync coding as the given procedure and get the result clearly. Next, for the part B, this activity consists of analog sensor, which make them same as the activity part A. This will say as because after the setup the circuit which is connecting the jumper wires between ESP32 diff kit V1 and potentiometer using GPIO34 as analog input, we have inserting the coding given into the Arduino as to make sure that the practical success. In addition, following that, this activity also including an additional task that requiring us to light different LEDs in response to potentiometer change. Finally, for the part C, which involve the actuator, which it will change on the relay module once the push button is pressed. Thank you.
In this practical work, we learn how to write the code to correct read data from the digital and analog sensor by doing the first activity. From the digital sensor, we simply follow the instruction and correct the circuit and the coding. In the meantime, the second activity is about analog sensor, which was about a potentiometer, and then we simply followed the produce, just like the first one. Following that, this activity included an additional task that requires us to light different LEDs in response to protest meter changes. Finally, we learned how to write codes to read signal from the sensor to read the application properly. As it shows the outcome of activity C, which involves the actuometer. From this activity, we will learn how to code and code it, the circuit that the lecturer has taught to complete the practical work. Thank you.